Lavender essential oil is an essential oil produced from the lavender or Lavandula plant. This oil is extracted through the process of steam distillation and has a wide range of benefits for its users. When it comes to essential oils, lavender is one of the most popular and widely used oils. This is because lavender oil is known to have a calming and relaxing effect on the body and mind. It can be used to relieve stress, anxiety, and insomnia. Lavender oil is also known to have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used to treat cuts, scrapes, and burns. Lavender oil is also known to boost the immune system and help fight off infections. Number 1. Help reduce stress and anxiety. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils for reducing stress and anxiety. It is widely used in aromatherapy to relieve stress and anxiety. Lavender oil has a calming and relaxing effect on the body and mind. It helps to reduce heart rate and blood pressure. Lavender essential oil is used in several studies to determine its effect on stress and anxiety. In a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, 36 participants with generalized anxiety disorder were treated with either a placebo or 80 milliliters of lavender oil for 10 weeks. The participants who took lavender oil showed a significantly greater reduction in anxiety symptoms than the placebo group. Number 2. Relieves pain. Lavender oil is an effective pain reliever. It can be used to relieve muscle pain, joint pain, and headaches. Lavender oil is also effective in reducing the pain of childbirth. Lavender essential oil is used to treat headaches and migraines. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy, research looked at the effect of lavender oil on headaches. In this study, researchers found that lavender oil can help reduce headaches and migraines. Number 3. Helps improve sleep quality. Lavender oil is widely used to improve sleep. It has a calming and relaxing effect on the body and mind, which helps to improve sleep quality. Lavender oil is also effective in treating insomnia. Lavender essential oil is used in several studies to determine its effect on sleep quality. In a study published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology, researchers found that lavender oil can help improve sleep quality in people with insomnia. Number 4. Helps reduce pain. Lavender oil has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties which make it effective in healing wounds. It also helps to reduce scarring. Lavender essential oil is used in several studies to determine its effect on pain. In a study published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology, researchers found that lavender oil can help reduce pain in people with arthritis. Number 5. Help improve skin health. Lavender oil can benefit the skin in numerous ways. It has the ability to lessen acne, help even skin tone, and reduce wrinkles. It can even be used to treat other things, such as improving hair health and digestion. Lavender essential oil is used in several studies to determine its effect on skin health. In a study published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology, researchers found that lavender oil can help improve skin health in people with psoriasis.